58 degrees in here. 12:33 is Tuesday, March 22nd, and a temp of high of 53 outside. I don't believe it that much, but you know, could be wrong. Here we are again. Let me turn on the argon gas and see what we got. We have, focus in on a little bit, a spitful. When that's done, probably tomorrow I have to go get some more argon. But it is what it is. Where am I going to start today? I don't know, but I'm going to start somewhere. Now I know all the time I'm putting in this bike, most people are not even going to have a clue. And that isn't why I'm doing it. I'm doing it because in my mind, it's the way I got to do it. I'll give you an example. That is a square. Now what is that? Is that a diamond? No, it really isn't a diamond. I'll show you what I mean. Because if this was a diamond, you couldn't go back to a square. A diamond is, you can't go back to a square. Two of the points, that point and that point, is longer. It's not just a square. It's like what I did here. It's longer from here to here. I don't know, it's longer from here to there than here to the other side. It's like this. It's not going to be, it's going to be a true diamond. And I know people ain't even going to even notice whatsoever. But that would be a true diamond when you can't make it a square. And will anybody ever notice? Nope. Nope, they will never fucking notice. Just like I'm gonna run angle iron down in here, and you can only see about this much. But to me, if you're gonna do it, just do the whole thing, or just don't do it. You know, I'm not saying it's wrong to do just what people can see. At my age, I do everything, so I don't want to have no regrets on this bike. I want to do it how I want to do it. I know it don't make no sense anyway. This dude's badass. Now that's a fabricator.